Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, providing of information and technology and the basic English. Today our topic is personal pronouns English version. In this video, we are going to learn about personal pronouns. I will explain and give some example of one subject pronoun and two object pronouns. Number one, personal pronouns. Personal pronouns consist of I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. Number two, object pronouns. Object pronouns consist of me, you, him, her, it, us, and them. Okay everyone, let's take a look. The table of personal pronouns consists of one subject pronouns and two object pronouns. I become me, you become you, he become him, she become her, it become it, we become us, and they become them. Okay everyone, let's take a look the explanation of one subject pronouns. Subject pronouns is a personal pronouns that is used as the subject of verb. Two, object pronouns. Object pronouns is a personal pronouns that is used typical as. Okay everyone, this is example 1. How to make a simple sentence in subject pronouns and object pronouns. Number 1, I work. See me. You drink. Tell you. He listen. Call him. She study. Ask her. It is a cupboard. Clean it. We speak. Bring us. They jump. Take them. Okay, this is example 2. How to make a simple sentence in subject pronouns and object pronouns. Example, I like study English. You speak to me. You go to school every day. They teach you. He reads English book. She cook for him. She write a letter. I ask to her. It is a table. What is it? We learn together. He listened to us. They like drink milk. We give book to them. to them. Okay, everyone, let's take a look once again of one subject pronoun and two object pronoun. I become me, you become you, he become him, she become her, it become it, we become us, and they become them. Okay, everyone, that is our topic today. Thank you very much for watching.